Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love readings for H sign Virgo. This is weekly reading and this reading is from May 16th to May 23rd. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what happened in your connection past Virgo. So let's see what happened in your connection past. The Star, Three of Cups, the Hermit. Definitely in past you both could be happy. The Star, definitely your person could be Aquarius. For some there is third party situation, for some it is not. The Hermit, your person past like thinking about this connection a lot but not taking any action in past for some. So let's see what happened right now in your connection. Page of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Cups. I want clarification card here. Eight of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. I think one person in this connection choose their finances and career over you, definitely in past. I think that's why your person is in hermit mode, but things are turning in your favor Virgo. Definitely message is coming in your way. I think your person who is walked away from your life, I think he maybe want to return to you and work on this relationship. In past he choose be single, but right now he want to work on this relationship because Wheel of Fortune, things are turning in your favor. So let's see the near future actions towards you Virgo. Your person near future actions towards you. Five of Pentacles. Yes, definitely there is separation between both of you. Eight of Cups and Five of Pentacles. Four of Swords, Lord of Pentacle energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you both could be X signs. Four of Cups. One person in this connection taking rest and thinking about this connection a lot and feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Four of Cups. Definitely one person leaving the other person in cold. Five of Pentacles. That definitely there is separation, but one person want reconciliation, but one person want to be single. So Virgo, so let's pull some thoughts from universe. Things. Queen of Cups, Page of Swords. Yes, communication is coming definitely. Temperance, Ace of Cups. I think for some it is new love. Definitely patience and balance is needed in this situation. Definitely communication, your person want to communicate, or you want to communicate to your person. Queen of Cups. Definitely the energy between both of you becoming neutral. I think it will take some time because one person is in depressive state, but things are turning in your favor. It will take time definitely. So self-love, I think it is Ace of Cups is also represents self-love. So patience and balance is needed in this situation right now. So it totally based upon your situation. Page of Swords, communication. So after communication you will decide you want to give this person a chance or not, because there is separation. So those who are in separation, communication is coming definitely. For some there is new love. So this is the reading for you Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.